Hello, I'm Keith from Recience. Here actually we show something that's different than what you have seen in the whole exhibition. This is here actually an outdoor fixed installation 1.9, and we also have the 1.5 outdoor. So these displays are waterproof with an IP rate of IP65. They have a brightness of 4,000 nits around. Depends if you do how much calibration you do. Also, these displays are especially used for replacing outdoor LCD because the consumption is much lower, and if you use it indoor, you can increase the HDR effect, and that's actually also more consumption. Yeah, it's more environment friendly, maybe you could say it like that. Because they are actually using a third of what a normal display is using. So the 1.5 is extremely difficult to make. At the moment, we are one of the only suppliers that can make the outdoor 1.5 possible. The customer now are buying a lot of the 1.9 because the technology is right in between and the pricing, the balance is right on top. So if you want to know more about the VX series, you can just contact us at www.recience.com.